Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBPUSD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, US dollar gains but set for worst monthly loss in a year. Euro falls. Euro weakness after a soft Eurozone inflation report also partly helped boost the greenback. Yesterday, we saw a good amount of correction on the chart of Euro USD after the inflation report, but still we can see that the trend of the market is still the same. Market is still bullish because the market structure is still pointing that yes, further upside on the chart of Euro USD is very much possible. And if we look at the chart of DXY, then we can clearly see that the market structure has not changed. Market is still bearish, so as a result, we need to plan our trades accordingly. Though DXY is right now showing a temporary recovery, my dear friends, this is not a trend reversal, because for a trend reversal, we need a V pattern or we need a fundamental factor that will be helping for a trend reversal. And right now, both technically and fundamentally, there is no sign of trend reversal on the chart of DXY. And if you look at the economic calendar, we have a long list of events. So Euro USD lovers, GBP lovers, not only Euro USD, Euro and GBP lovers and dollar lovers also, you need to be careful because we have many events coming up. You can see here, first of all, Euro manufacturing PMI, then for pound also we have manufacturing PMI, so market will be showing some crazy moves. Then you can see we have PMI for US dollar, but most importantly Fed Chair Powell's speech. Both this not both, all the events here, the PMIs will bring some volatility to the market, so be careful. But the Fed Chair Powell's speech has the potential to change the direction of the market, so you need to be extra careful. If you had a lovely week, profitable week, try to close down your positions because market will be volatile, because one bad trade may wipe out everything. Don't gamble with your profit of the week. Don't gamble with your hard-earned money and capital. Keep in mind, we are traders, not gamblers. So if we look at the chart of DXY, then if DXY shows upside, we can expect that 104.20 to 104.50 will be the resistance, and this should work as the weekly resistance, or market should close below this level. And in case market breaks 102.50, we can consider that market will be going down. Overall, the structure is down, so obviously we can expect that market will be going down. But if market breaks 102.50, it will be a confirmation that market is going down or market is heading towards 100 level. Okay. And my dear friends, only 5 days left for the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop that I conduct after 3 to 4 months. Because after this workshop, the next workshop will be around in the month of March or April. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language, दोनों language में ही होता है. This workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. So my dear friends, if you like my work, if you think that you can benefit from the workshop, you are most welcome to join. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. You can see here, these are the topics that we will be discussing in the workshop, day 1, day 2, day 3, and these are the topics that we will be discussing after the workshop, means in our weekly lesson. So total 7 classes. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support, and you can see what are the benefits that you will be receiving during the workshop. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And this is a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. So 3 days workshop, 1 month support. It's amazing. And these are the dates. हिंदी क्लासेस के लिए 6, 7, 8 of December शाम को 6:30 बजे से. English classes 11, 12 and 13 December. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. Everything will be recorded, so that even if you miss, okay, you can watch the recordings later. And the best part is the fees. You can see 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15, rupees 1,000, and these are the benefits that you'll be receiving. Trading takes time, trading needs guidance also. So if you're looking for guidance and support, then you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime, which are also very much affordable. In lifetime and semi-annual, you'll be getting personal sessions with me to clear your doubts, to ask questions, to learn. So these are the benefits. Everything is mentioned on the website, and these are the payment methods. Okay, you can use anyone right after the payment. Okay, just share a screenshot with to the WhatsApp number here, or you can also share a WhatsApp number and a screenshot to the email here. I'll add you to the groups. Okay, so everything is mentioned on the website. If you want to take your trading to the next level, if you really like my work, okay, you're most welcome to join. The link is in the description. Bye bye. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar, and euro USD is under retracement, but still if you have taken a buy position or if you have a long position, be on the trade, because further upside is still very much possible. And if you have a sell position or you are stuck in a sell position, my dear friend, try to exit at retracement, because if market continues the upside, then obviously you will be in trouble again. Because if you look at the chart of dollar also, you can clearly see that dollar is bearish. So if dollar continues the downside, euro USD will be going up. So be careful. Okay, so if you have a buy position, be on the trade, because as I said, further upside is possible. And in case during the day and before news, okay, before news, don't forget that before news, if market drops to 1.0840 level, 1.0830 level, you can expect a buy because of the support here. And then we have the second support on the chart of euro USD around 1.0800. It can be 1.0790 also. This is the second support from the FIBO 38.2% retracement level. So this is our S1 and this is our S2 during the day and before the news only. After news, in case euro USD drops, then obviously you need to follow the trend of the market, because when fundamentals dominate, technicals usually fail. And as a retail trader, it is very important for you to understand when to go with the fundamentals, when to go with the technicals. So if fundamentals dominate, then obviously follow the trend of the market. Okay. Anyways, if you see the market is coming down and if the volatility of the market is not very high, observe the market around this level. Once you'll see the market has entered the level, switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes and observe the market behavior. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing support, you will get the confirmation that okay, market is taking support and you can hit the buy button. So this is our first level, this is our second level. And in case you see the market is standing at big red candle at support one, obviously use your common sense. Do not forget that yes, in each and every chart we have multiple levels, but levels are not permanent, but our capital is limited. Okay, so we need to be careful. Confirmation is the insurance. So on the chart of GBPUSD, the first support is around 1.2570 to 1.2560. You can also consider it as 50 also. This is a support one because the previous resistance will be working as support here. Okay, and you can see 50 moving average is trading a little bit away, but still this is a support zone here. So during the day, especially before the news, if market falls, observe the market around 1.257060 area. Just like Euro USD, switch to a lower time frame of 15 minutes and observe the market behavior. If you see the market is forming a hammer, market is showing price rejection from below, you will get a confirmation that yes, market has buyers around this area and you can go for a buy position. On the chart of Euro USD, you can, if you're a scalper, you can expect a move of 25 to 30 pips. On the chart of GBPUSD, you can expect around 40 pips. The second support on the chart of GBPUSD is around 1.2520 to 1.2500. 1.2520, 1.2500, let me show you. So here we have used FIBO. Okay, you can see here around 1.2570 we have FIBO 7. Apart from the previous resistance working as support, along with that we also have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. And when do we have this? When we are considering this particular low here. Okay, so 1.2570, 1.2560 is the first support. Okay, and when we are changing the low, my dear friend, oh sorry, when we're changing the low here, you can see around 1.2520, around 1.2500, we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. You must be thinking, why am I doing this? Okay, see 1.2500, listen to me carefully. 1.2500 is a round number, it's a psychological support. So around the psychological support, we are trying to see whether we have any additional support or not. And when we are changing the FIBO low here, we could see that we got some sort of support from the FIBO also. If you are confused, then leave it. Just keep in mind we have some sort of support at 1.2520, 1.2500. If market takes support, if market respects our support, we can look for a buy position as well. So these are the two levels where 1.257060, 1.25201, where we can look for a buy position if market takes support. And if you already have a buy on the chart of GBPUSD, you can be on the trade, because here also we can clearly see that market is still bullish and further upside is possible. Okay, and be careful at the time of news, because market will be volatile, and do not gamble.